heavy.
I do.
To make it into roving. Blended.
Yes. Shake some of that out. I have to really hang on to it because it's so windy right now. It's going to start blowing away, so I can't just leave it.
Are people allergic to rabbit?
Yes, a lot of people. And it seems like if you're allergic, you're really allergic. So,
well, it's because it's just
How long is it gonna take to cut all that?
well, generally, if the conditions are right, it takes maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. But here in the wind and outside, we'll see. It might take longer.
So that one, that one from Tibet, I was told that this was nettles. This one. They're like, oh, that's nettles. But when I was looking at this, I was just like, wow, it's so much finer than my Urtica. This is the stuff that I made, and this is the stuff, the aloo from Tibet. And so I was working at the UC Botanical Garden last year. And the woman said, oh, have you ever worked with Rami before? And she gave me all this Rami that they're growing in the Botanical Garden, which is from Asia. And this is aloo. So this is the stick that this came from. So it's a Urticaceae plant. It's not an Urtica, but it's a nettle family. So I always was told this was Urtica, but they're right.
I had 8 students here today.
No. I'll take this off. Yeah, so my plan here is to... I'm probably actually going to take these out. I'm not sure yet. Stop about here and do probably that far of really fine weaving. And then cut this off and wrap it and knot it around the hanging.
Oh, so you're gonna create a knit frame basically, and then you'll have that.
Kinda, yeah.
Cool.
It's rare that people do that. They usually wrap it onto the bar, but with this, I leave the strings hanging, so I bunch them like that, and then I wrap it around and do like an X knot over it.
Cool.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
And it's actually.
Yeah.
I don't know what of these is Cuban.
Which of these is Cuban? This is just like diamonds.
I my hat and my cup.
You made all of this? This is brilliant. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Well, I'm so glad you're here. If you want to make a placemat,
I want to use it.
yeah. So we have placemats of different sizes, so we can find a size that's exact for you. But yeah, we're gonna be transmuting color from plant to fiber with all of these different materials that were either sourced from the farm. Of course, I have some things that I didn't grow, but I sourced it from Rainbow Grocery, which is a co-op, so that's slightly better than Amazon. A lot better.
Let's say.
A lot better than Amazon. And we're gonna do the steaming technique and the dyeing in the dye pots. For the dye pots, we have barberry root and hibiscus, which is roselle. Oh yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah,
If
it's
I could
pretty
sneak
cool.
around here and I roll it.
Yeah, you can roll it either way. Well, Good. I was doing my deep breathing.
The
lady that you were talking to earlier, she was wearing a cool top. Is it one of your tops?
Sally? Beside me on the stage? Right there.
I don't have. Oh, great. Does it have a neck for it? It does. Good. Yep. Some of I don't have time, so I'm like making them here. It does.
Yeah.
We were gone too. We had left on Friday and they turned the electricity off on Saturday now.
Yeah.
Take these. So this is it's black, it's not cochineal.
No, it's black. It's similar to
Yeah, we go walk around the house.
Okay, Buggy, there's a little more inside and there's different kinds of things. But look at those black cash.
Yeah.
The young couple that are in the Fibershed book.
Yeah.
Fabulous. My name's Jack. I love your story.
Sarah.
I'm glad that's working out.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. That was quite a adventure or leap into the unknown.
Well, our goal is to be able to spin it and get pure linen yarns. That's the end goal of what we're looking for.
Yeah.
This is the
And,
byproduct that comes out of the
So is your linen, your flax, the same species as what comes from Belgium?
I boiled
Yes,
the
yeah, we buy our seeds from Holland.
Oh, okay, because they have the best.
Yeah,
Yeah.
well, they are good. They're
Yeah.
really good, and the Dutch seem to have mastered the art of growing seeds because it's a high dollar product,
Yeah.
and then they export. So
Yeah.
they get money coming into the country from elsewhere,
Yeah.
and they sell all around the world. Yeah. I order 600 kilo. And for
Of
them,
seeds?
it's
Wow.
for them that's insignificant.
from Holland. So not, Why don't you stay here anyway? Okay. They don't have any more food left out on the table. Oh dear. Yep. Yeah.
See, this is the thing. I want to get them.
Acknowledge the sales.
No, I will, but
No, I know. I'm just saying if you don't want to.
Then you can add different colors.
Oh, cool.
Oh yeah. I mean, I'll tell her when I see her. I have to take this to of course,
She made Easterbrook.
No seams.
Santa Rosa and Sebastopol out on the Santa Rosa Cliff.
Smell and touch. Smell and touch.
Hello. Yep, smell and touch. These are tactile boots. My mom's friend did. So it's been pretty fun.
Yeah. You know, you're looking for the different animals.
Different animals.
Because I was going to say, I
yeah.
have another bag of Celeste in the
do
car,
you?
I think, that I didn't bring in.
No, this is Celeste.
No, that's Celeste over there. Behind. That one. Yeah. So I've got...
Sure, it's all
So then, how much yarn do I need to get? I guess it depends on the weight. Yeah.
I've never tried. You raised for me and wow.
Those ones are. What does your shirt say? Oh, cute.
Perfect.
Yeah, absolutely. Exactly. Yeah, no, absolutely. I love it.
Or a tunic or something. Yeah, how about that?
Oh yeah, I don't need you want, I can sell that.
So apply, you know what apply is. Right. It's not, it starts with something that's thinner than the yarn you want to end up making it. Just play with that because look, he's good. Oh my. Hello.
Hi. Are you going to do some spinning?
Spinning. I'm spinning cotton. What are you spinning, Laura?
I'm going to ply if I can dig it out of the bag.
And she's going to work on her
I'm going to apply some woolly cotton as well.
Oh, all right. Well, so this is a mini spinning machine? I've never seen anything like that.
It's called a charka. It's an Indian style spinning wheel.
Oh wow!
It's a tiny version of the big wool wheel, with the big wheel. Only I have a little hand crank on this side.
All right.
But you spin off the point. It doesn't have bobbins like that.
Oh.
Am I doing this backwards? Let's see here.
What a cool thing. So
yeah, see?
I guess maybe women in India would take this on the train or something, right?
Maybe.
Predates train.
And Gandhi too, right? Didn't
Gandhi, yeah.
Did Gandhi use one of these?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, he did. Yeah. And I met a lady at the San Mateo County Fair once who came by and said they taught us to do this in school. So,
Wow.
So that was pretty interesting.
Yeah, very interesting.
Here we go.
Oh, all right.
Yeah. Try and get this to attach.
And what type of wool are you spinning?
This is cotton.
Oh, it's cotton.
This is cotton.
Oh.
This is tufts of cotton.
Wow.
You can, yeah. Piece. Here we go. Let's find this.
It'll be a very short trip without Bob's.
Yeah.
Wow.
Get this going.
So Gandhi's spinning machine.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Like you say, bubble wrap or whatever. I use a swimming pool cover. So you put sort of a core around the piece and you roll it up and then you roll it for like 500 times.
Yeah, like a pool noodle.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Pool noodles.
So the reason you need it for the detail? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little farther away from the edge. The edges, it's like a sample, so the edges are going to fray a little bit.
What is your name?
I'm Ashley.
Ashley Sheila. Nice meeting you. Thank you. So only two?
Yeah, just two for now. So this is like a temporary. Para firmarlo, hija, que no se mueva. Yeah, if you care to join us, we're doing some visible mending demos. We don't need
Oh, I know.
Well, she's going to tell you the instructions in a minute. Yeah, so you can go ahead and grab a piece of denim, one patch, and some instructions. Hi, lady.